Hi guys, Miss Daniels here. We're gonna do our writing lesson for the week. I'm gonna use our writing journal prompt from day number 11. Our writing journal prompt today is write at least 2 facts you know about dogs. So we're gonna start by looking at the what good writers do anchor chart. The first thing that good writers do is they think, what do I know about dogs? Well, when I think about dogs, I need to make sure that I'm thinking about real, true facts and not opinions. So when I thought about dogs, I thought about what dogs eat. Dogs eat dog food and dogs drink water. I also thought about different colors that dogs can be. Dogs can be black, dogs can be brown, dogs can be white, or they can be a mix of the colors. Dogs are really good smellers. Dogs have really strong senses of smell, so they can smell really well. And dogs bark to communicate. Here's my little quick picture of a dog. They can bark to communicate, so that when they want to tell you something, that's what they do. I also was thinking, dogs like to play fetch. All right, so when I think about fetch, I think about the ball. And so here's the ball, and someone is throwing it, and then the dog runs to get it. So dogs play fetch. You can come up with a lot more ideas than that, but I'm gonna just stick with this list for today. So some facts that I know about dogs are dogs eat dog food and drink water. They can be black, brown, or white. They're really good smellers. They bark to communicate, and dogs play fetch. So we have completed our first step, thinking. Good writers think. We have thought about a lot of things that answer our question about dogs. The next thing that we're gonna do is draw. So I'm gonna grab our journal page for today. All right, so up here in this big box, it is my job to draw. When I draw, well, we're writing about dogs. So I probably should write, or I probably should draw a picture of a dog. All right, so here is my dog. It has a round face, 2 big long ears, and a nose that looks like a triangle, some mouth. Some eyes. Okay, so there's my dog. Now, I thought about a lot of different things with dogs. Dogs like to eat dog food. So I should probably, if that's one of the facts I'm gonna write about, I should include that in my picture. Here's my dog bowl and their food. And I really like to play fetch with my dog. And most dogs like to play fetch or play with balls. So I'm going to also draw a ball in my picture. It's a tennis ball. And let's see, I could add color to my picture, right? To help me know what color my dog is. Here's my dog's legs. My dog's arms. All right, oh, I can't forget the dog tail. All right, so let's see. I can go back and add tons more details like colors and other things that might be in my setting. I could add more details to my dog. I could make my dog black, brown, or white, or give it spots. I could add a bowl of water. I could add lots of other things to my picture. So, looking at our Good Writers checklist, we thought about lots of things that we know about dogs. We drew a picture. Now we need to label. All right, so this is my dog. Og. Dog. This is my dog. Oh, I already know how to spell dog. I wrote it up there. Dog. Food. Food. And this is my ball. All. All is one of our sight words, so I just needed to add the B at the beginning. And I could also write the word fetch because we play fetch with the ball. Ch. That's CH, that's one of our digraphs. You could label anything else that you also have in the picture. All right, going back to our Good Writers checklist. I am going to write my first sentence now. We thought, we drew, we labeled, now we're going to write. All right. I'm going to write my first sentence about dog food. Dogs eat dog food. All right. Dogs eat dog food. Let's count how many words that is. Dogs eat dog food. That's 4 words. So I'm going to draw 4 lines on my paper. Dogs, finger space between my lines. Eat dog. Oh, I'm out of room. I got to go to my next line. Food. All right. So my first word in my sentence is dogs. Dogs. When I'm writing my sentence, I need to make sure that I start with a capital letter. So the first letter in the word dogs is D. I need to make an uppercase D. Dogs. Oh, here's the rest of the word. O-G. But I'm not writing about one dog. I'm writing about lots of dogs. So dogs. Dogs. I need to add the S at the end. Dogs. I made my space between my line. Dogs eat. 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 It's okay if I don't spell all my words correctly. I just need to write down the sounds that I hear. Dogs eat dog food. Oh, look, I already labeled that right here. So I'm just going to copy it down. Dog food. Okay. Looking back at our writing goals real quick, I need to make sure that I end my sentence with a punctuation mark. I'm not super excited about this. Dogs eat dog food. I'm not asking a question either, so I'm not going to use a question mark or an exclamation mark. I'm just using a sentence that tells you something. So I'm going to put my period at the end of the sentence. Dogs eat dog food. Let's look back at our Good Writers checklist. Think, draw, label, write. Add details. Now is a time when I can go back and add more sentences as well as more details to my picture. I could give it a ground so that we see the ground. I could put the dog outside because maybe the dog likes to be outside. You can add tons of details to your picture and make sure that you definitely add color as well. Remember, the prompt was to write 2 facts that you know about dogs, so make sure that you have more than one sentence as well. Looking at our writing goals, we made our words nice and easy to read. We made the lowercase letters stay between the dotted line and the bottom, and lest they go up to the top like this letter T, and then we made it touch the top and the bottom. We used finger spaces between our words. We started our sentence with a capital letter, and we ended with a punctuation. Remember, I wasn't sure how to spell eat, but I wrote down the sounds that I could hear. We don't have our word wall, but now, like I said, we're going to go back and add details and tell some more. All right, guys, I think we've got a great start to our journal prompt for today. I hope you guys tell me lots of good information about dogs.